In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix slow Google download speed and how to boost Chrome downloads in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. First of all, from Google's Chrome, click on these three dots, then click on Settings. Now from the left, click on Privacy and Security. Then from here, click on Security. Now scroll to the bottom and toggle on Use Secure DNS. After this, click on this drop-down menu icon and from here, select Cloudflare. And then again, from left, click on System and from here, toggle off Continue Running Background app when Google Chrome is closed. After this, search for Chrome // flag and from here click on search flag and search for parallel downloading. Now click on this drop down menu icon and from here select enable. After this close Chrome browser and from your desktop click on search and type network connection and open view network connections. Now right click on your network and then click on properties and from here click on internet protocol version 4, then click on properties. Now select use the following DNS server address and in preferred DNS server type 1.1.1.1 and in an alternate DNS server type 1.0.0.1. Then click on OK. After this close it and again from your desktop click on search and type CMD and run it as an administrator. Now type ipconfig // DNS. Then hit enter and then close it and your Chrome's download speed will have boosted up.